Hey everybody, welcome back to the Average Dude YouTube channel. So about 2 months ago, I installed this soft enclosure from StarnightMT on my 2022 CFMOTO UForce 1000 XL. And I have to say, it's definitely doing exactly what I intended it to do. It's snowing right now, which you can see it's coming down pretty good. Windshield is covered because I've been sitting here for a few minutes. And you know, not only does it keep the snow and the rain out, but also the crosswind and whatever else comes my way. The other thing I noticed too is just driving down gravel roads. This keeps the gravel dust down a lot. So obviously right now with the snow, I'm not going to have any gravel dust when I go for a drive, but it does really keep the gravel dust down a lot, especially when it's super dry. So I'm excited to get out on a trail with it when I'm riding with my buddies, just to kind of see how it is, so I'm not getting that gravel dust inside the cab here. But yeah, I mean, it's snowing really good and there is nothing coming into the cab at all. So the way this tucks up into the roof here like this, I mean, it's got a lot of overlap in there, so it definitely doesn't allow any snow whatsoever to come in from the top. And then everything is enclosed here. You can obviously see through that little hole right there. There's a little bit of ice and snow building up on the outside, but again, nothing inside the cab. It's actually, I'm not going to say it's hot in here by any means, but I mean, you're enclosed, right? And we all know that the cab at the CFMOTO does get pretty warm, so it's not going to be like if you have a heater in here, but it's definitely keeping you out of the elements, and it is a little warmer inside the cab not being open like that. So again, thank you to StarnightMT for providing this soft enclosure to me. I really appreciate it. It was something that was on my list of items to buy, and I am extremely happy with it. I mean, I should have bought this years ago, because one of the biggest things for me was just not being able to ride in the winter. And don't get me wrong, I mean, it's still, when it's really cold here in Minnesota, it's really cold inside the cab, but right now it's about 30 degrees, snowing down pretty good. The snow's coming down pretty good, so I'm actually going to go for a ride real quick.